So we have already completed initial part of the Customs Act, right from section 1 up to which section? Section 12 actually, because other sections are to be read along with section 12. Right? Now we are going on import and export procedure, or you can say steps involved in import and export. So in case of import, the first step is arrival of conveyance. Right? Number 2 is unloading. Number 3, filing of bill of entry. Then assessment. And in assessment, the most important part is valuation. How to decide the value. Then comes payment of duty or warehousing. And if goods are kept in the warehouse, then further chapter is removal from warehouse. Lot many things we are going to study in this. And the whole topic may continue for maybe another 10 days, maybe 12 days.
To watch full video, join online batch weekdays 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Call TAIL Institute.